Hey everyone, how's it going? So let's sort of think as a fun activity. I say fun activity. What kind of free insights can we get and glean from ChatGPT? No one's thinking of stuff like this, and I don't know why, because ChatGPT is a language model. So if you can have text, you can actually analyze what that text is saying, and ChatGPT can help you do that among many other things. So let's think of this from an SEO side or search engine optimization. If I have a website and I want to create content, right? How do I then glean free information on what I maybe should write based off what's ranking? So I went to Google and I said, what is the best site to list a dog? So what website should I list a dog on? Meaning what kind of website? And then all I did was I copy and pasted all of this text. I just highlighted it, went highlight, copy and paste, and I put it into a Word file. And this is a bit of that Word file. Then I just deleted every piece but the title. So I see here I've got almost 30 titles, give or take. So I took those titles, and now let's actually take these titles and see what we can get from ChatGPT. So I have a little script. I've already done it here. Let's go back to chat, and I'm going to sort of go through this conversation. So the first thing I'm going to do is say, I need help to gain some insights on what content to write next for my website. If you give me, I need you to give me some insights based off Google titles. If I give you some websites from Google, can you give me some insights? And chat says, sure. I can try to help you gain some insights based on website titles. Perfect. So then I take the titles I copied from Google, and I slightly just removed the extra text, but I got all these titles. I think I have about 30 give or take titles. So I'm going to copy and paste those titles in, and then I'm going to write this. So my little prompt, or my prompt, in addition to saying, what insights can you give me based on these titles? Please categorize them based on user intent. Give me the top 15 used keywords based off the titles in a table. Let's see if chat does that. And suggestions on what kind of website content I should create based on what is ranked first. So let's see what ChatGPT does. Okay, amazing. So this is free information with ChatGPT. So based on the titles provided, selling dogs online, 18 of the titles were selling dogs online. 10 of the titles were adopting dogs online, 12 of them were pet care and health, 9 of them were pet-friendly places and products, and 1 was a pet business. So based on the top 15 most used keywords, here are the titles. Dogs, the frequency is 53, so it's quite frequent. Online, sell, adoption, pet, best, websites, puppies. Okay, that makes sense. But here are some keywords that are used most frequently based on the top 30 websites that come up with that phrase, or asking where do I list a website online. So chat also said, based on the most frequently used words or keywords, it seems that content related to selling and adopting dogs online is most frequently in demand, which makes sense. Therefore, you may want to focus on creating content related to these topics. It makes sense because we just said, where could I list a dog online? For example, you can create articles such as top tips for selling puppies online, or pros and cons for adopting a dog online. That's awesome. Or the top 5 websites to find your next canine companion. Super cool. Additionally, pet care and pet health is another popular topic, so you may want to create content related to that as well. For example, you could create articles such as the top 10 foods to keep your dog healthy, or how to recognize signs of illness. That is awesome. Overall, it's best to create the best content to create would depend on the specific niche you are targeting, your target audience. You could obviously conduct keyword searches and so on. But within a few minutes, we took actual search results from Google, which means those are ranking number 1 in the top ones. We put in a phrase, and then we took that data, put it into ChatGPT, gave it a question, i.e. a prompt saying, give me some insights. And chat now has given us not just any insights. When people say, oh, give me keywords in ChatGPT, those keywords are meaningless because we don't know how they're ranking, what's happening, or what. But this is meaningful because these recommendations, these insights come directly from page 1 of Google. They come from Google. The top pages, when I search what is the best site to list a dog, these insights that ChatGPT gave us come directly from those results, versus saying in ChatGPT, give me 10 keyword phrases for where to sell a dog. It's just going to choose whatever it wants. That's meaningless because it doesn't mean they're ranking at all. It's just choosing whatever it wants. But this is actually saying, here are the top titles based off of these titles, ChatGPT. What are meaningful? What are usable words? Well, now these are actual meaningful words that make sense. Hopefully that was helpful and meaningful for you guys. Most important here, it's an amazing tool that we can take and adapt and play with and get real insights from ChatGPT, not just random ones. And what's important is this is real data from Google, not just some random give me keywords. This is actually from the top ranking websites based off that search. Hopefully that was helpful, give you some insight, and I'll hopefully do a lot more tutorials like this because I really want to help you guys utilize chat as an amazing tool for gleaning insights for your websites if you want. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.